2x dot plus 8x dot plus 8x equal to 0, and the same initial conditions here. Okay, so here we let xt equal to a's exponent pt. So therefore, the characteristic equations 2p squared plus 8p plus 8 equal to 0, or p squared 4p 4 equal to 0. Okay, so again, this one, if you factorize, that is p plus 2, p plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, the root is p equal to minus 2 and minus 2. Because that is a real and repeated, this is a quickly damped system. So therefore, from here we know for this one, again, that is in this exponential decay. But because this is a repeated root, and the combination is C1 plus C2T. Okay, so that is we learned from DB2 here. Okay, so once we're down here, so you can, again, you can take the derivative, you can do the calculations, and that is minus 2, and the C2 e minus 2t minus 2, C1 plus C2t. Okay, we get this ready. So I take the derivative on the first term, multiply with this, and then plus the derivative on the second term, multiply with this one. So from here, you plug in 1 equal to x0, and from there you can determine from here you can determine C1 equal to 1, C2 equal to 1. Okay, so that is the typical solution process for this. So we've done this one.